my name is Deirdre and I'm an engineer at Evervault. Today I'm going to show you how to encrypt a string and run a function with our Node SDK. The first thing you're going to do is install the SDK. You can see on the first line here, I've put that into a comment. You just need to run npm install. Then once you've imported the library, you can initialize Evervault. So I'm just taking my API key from an environment variable here, and then I'm passing it in to create a new Evervault instance. Next thing we're going to do is encrypt a string. So all you have to do is call evervault.encrypt, and you'll get the encrypted string back. So I am logging that out here for you now. And then you can pass that string to a function. So to run a function, you just need to call evervault.run and pass in the name of the function. This is one I created earlier, and pass an object, and in this case, I'm just passing the name. So I'm going to run that for you again. And you can see here that we're printing out hello from a function. It seems you have 6 letters in your name. So the name was decrypted within the function and we could perform an operation on it, in this case, counting the letters. And it's as simple as that. Thank you for watching.